What if I told you that everything you've ever desired is already within your reach? The wealth, the success, the love, the happiness, it's all there, waiting for you to claim it. The only thing standing between you and your dreams is your understanding of how to bring them into your reality. The process of manifesting your desires is not a complex or time-consuming task. In fact, it can be incredibly simple, and when you truly grasp the principles behind it, you can manifest anything you want instantly. The first step in manifesting anything instantly is to recognize the power of your imagination. Your imagination is the creative force of the universe. It is the tool through which you shape your reality. Every invention, every work of art, every great achievement in human history began as a thought in someone's mind. Likewise, everything you want in life starts in your imagination. But here's the key: you must not just see what you want in your mind, you must feel it as if it's already yours. This feeling is the secret ingredient that brings your desires to life. To begin, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Now, bring to mind the thing you want to manifest. It could be anything: a new job, a relationship, financial abundance, or better health. Whatever it is, see it clearly in your mind's eye. But don't stop at the visual, immerse yourself in the experience. If it's a new job you're after, assume yourself in your ideal workplace. Feel the satisfaction of doing work you love. Hear your colleagues congratulating you on your success. Feel the joy and pride that comes with achieving your goal. This is not daydreaming, this is creation. When you vividly assume something and feel it with your entire being, you are sending out a powerful signal to the universe. This signal, which is your belief and emotion, attracts the corresponding reality to you. The stronger and more consistent your signal, the faster your desire will manifest. This is why it's crucial to hold on to the feeling of your wish being fulfilled, even when your outer reality hasn't yet caught up. But what if doubt creeps in? What if you start to worry that what you want won't happen? This is where many people stumble. Doubt is the enemy of manifestation. It weakens your signal and delays the arrival of your desire. To combat doubt, remind yourself of this simple truth: the outer world is a reflection of your inner world. If you can see it and feel it within, it must come to pass without. Keep your focus on the feeling of already having what you want, and let go of any thoughts of how or when it will happen. Trust that it is done. Another powerful technique to manifest anything instantly is to use affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that reinforce your belief in the reality you wish to create. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, you might affirm, "I am a magnet for wealth. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly." If you're manifesting a loving relationship, you could affirm, "I am surrounded by love. I attract healthy and fulfilling relationships." The key to using affirmations effectively is to say them with conviction and to feel the truth of the statement as you say it. Repeat your affirmations daily, preferably in the morning and before you go to sleep, when your mind is most receptive. Now, let's talk about the importance of persistence. Manifestation is not a one-time act. It's a daily practice. You must consistently focus on what you want and hold on to the feeling of having it, no matter what. This doesn't mean you have to spend hours each day visualizing or affirming. Just a few minutes of focused intention each day is enough. But you must be consistent. The more you practice, the stronger your manifestation muscles will become, and the faster you will see results. It's also important to be open to receiving your desire in unexpected ways. The universe has infinite ways of bringing your manifestation to you, and it often works in ways that are beyond your current understanding. Don't limit yourself by focusing on one specific outcome or path. Instead, focus on the essence of what you want and be open to receiving it in any form that aligns with your highest good. For example, if you're manifesting financial abundance, don't just focus on getting a raise or winning the lottery. Be open to the possibility of unexpected gifts, opportunities, or ideas that could lead to wealth. Ever felt a disconnect between your dreams and your reality? A chasm separating your aspirations from your current experience? This disparity can be bridged. The key lies not in external actions, but within the realm of your mind. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. Assume a world where your desires effortlessly materialize, where challenges dissolve, and where your life unfolds with grace and ease. This isn't a distant dream, but a tangible possibility available to all. You possess an innate power, a creative force capable of shaping your world according to your will. The secret lies in understanding that your consciousness is the sculptor of your experience. What you focus on, what you believe, and how you feel, all contribute to the tapestry of your life. By mastering your thoughts, you gain dominion over your circumstances. Let go of the notion that external factors dictate your destiny. Instead, recognize that you are the captain of your ship, navigating through the vast ocean of possibilities. Your imagination is your compass, guiding you towards the shores of your heart's desires. Visualize your desired outcome as if it's already a reality. Immerse yourself in the emotions associated with it. Allow yourself to bask in the sensations of fulfillment, joy, and peace. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious mind for manifestation, drawing your desires closer to fruition. The universe is a mirror reflecting your inner world. When you cultivate positivity, gratitude, and faith, the external world responds in kind. Challenges are not roadblocks but opportunities for growth and variation. Think about them as stepping stones towards your ultimate goals. Persistence is paramount. Keep your focus unwavering, even when faced with doubt or setbacks. Your desires are seeds planted in the fertile soil of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will inevitably blossom into reality. Trust in the intelligence of the universe. It knows your path better than you do. Surrender to the flow, and allow the magic of manifestation to unfold in its perfect timing. You are a divine being, capable of creating miracles. Unleash your inner power, and watch as your dreams become your reality. The world awaits your brilliance. The key to rapid manifestation lies in the quality of your imagination. It's not just about seeing the outcome, it's about feeling it deeply. When you immerse yourself in the emotions of your desired reality, you're sending a more potent signal. It's like tuning a radio. The clearer the signal, the stronger the reception. To accelerate this process, practice what is often called assumption. Assume your desire is already a fact. Live as if it's true. Walk, talk, and feel as if you already possess what you seek. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's a game changer. By assuming the end result, you're aligning your energy with the desired outcome, making it easier for the universe to deliver. As you practice these techniques, you may start to notice small signs that your manifestation is on its way. These signs could come in the form of coincidences, unexpected opportunities, or sudden insights. Pay attention to these signs and follow any intuitive nudges you receive. The universe is always guiding you toward your desires, but you must be willing to listen and act on the guidance you receive. Another key aspect of manifesting anything instantly is to stay in a state of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful energy that amplifies your manifestation. When you express gratitude for what you already have, you raise your vibration and align yourself with the frequency of abundance. But don't just be grateful for what's already in your life, be grateful for what's coming. Give thanks for your desire as if it's already here, and watch how quickly it manifests. Lastly, don't forget to take inspired action. Manifestation is not about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about aligning your thoughts, feelings, and actions with your desires. When you take action from a place of belief and confidence, you accelerate the manifestation process. This doesn't mean you have to force things or struggle to make them happen. Instead, take actions that feel natural and aligned with your vision. These could be small steps, like making a phone call, sending an email, or even just tidying up your space to make room for the new. The important thing is that your actions reflect your belief that your desire is already yours. In conclusion, manifesting anything instantly is not a matter of luck or chance. It's a skill that you can learn and master. By harnessing the power of your imagination, using affirmations, practicing persistence, staying open to possibilities, expressing gratitude, and taking inspired action, you can bring your desires into reality faster than you ever thought possible. The key is to stay focused, stay positive, and trust in the process. Your outer world is a reflection of your inner world, so if you can see it and feel it within, it must come to pass without. Please like this video and let us know in the comments how this technique has worked for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos on manifesting your dreams and unlocking your potential. Your support is greatly appreciated.